सबसे ज़्यादा दुख मुझे तब हुआ जबकि मेरे माँ बाप जबकि 1947 के अंदर पार्टीशन के अंदर उनको कत्ल किया गया। दूसरी दुख की घड़ी वो थी कि जब मैं रोम ओलंपिक गेम्स के अंदर 400 मीटर रेस जो मैं हारा था।
उसके ये लास्ट वर्ड मुझे अभी तक याद हैं कि मिल्खा भाग जाओ यहाँ से, भागो जंगल के अंदर, ये तो आप भी मारे जाओ। जो विलेज में आदमी रह रहा है उसको क्या पता है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान बन रहा है? उसको क्या मालूम है कि हम अपना घर छोड़ के यहाँ से चले जाएंगे, अपनी ज़मीन अपने डंगर वगैरह छोड़ के यहाँ से चले जाएंगे।
जितनी हम तरक्की करते हैं उससे ज़्यादा दूसरे मुल्कों वाले उससे 2 गुना ज़्यादा तरक्की कर जाते हैं।
मैंने इतनी रेसेस जीती हैं, मुझे किसी ने एक पैसा नहीं दिया। पंडित जी का मैसेज आया कि मिल्खा सिंह से पूछो कि क्या चाहिए उसको। अगर मैं चाहता पंडित जी से कहता जी मुझे 200 एकड़ ज़मीन यूपी में दे दो, 200 एकड़ ज़मीन मुझे पंजाब में दे दो, 2-4 कोठियाँ मुझे दिल्ली में डलवा दो, मगर मैंने कुछ नहीं मांगा। और मांगा क्या कि देश भर में एक दिन के लिए छुट्टी कर दो।
Imagine how would you feel if you as an Indian went to Pakistan, defeat the Pakistani champion in their own land, and even after that, the then General of Pakistan honors you with a title that would become a crown to your name. We are talking about the Indian sports colossal, Milkha Singh, and the title he earned that all of us know, the Flying Sikh. This video is a tribute to the great sportsman India lost on 18th of June this year. Milkha Singh was born on 20th November 1929 in a village called Govindpura in Muzaffargarh city of Punjab province in British India. He was traumatized at a very young age when he himself witnessed the murder of both his parents, a brother and 2 sisters by a Muslim mob during partition violence. His brother Makhan was serving in the army that time and he boarded his wife and Milkha in an army truck headed to India. In search of work, they were forced to shift to Delhi sitting on the roof of a train. Having no place to stay, they spent a few days on railway platform before shifting to Shadra in Delhi, where Milkha's sister-in-law's parents settled. An idle mind is devil's workshop. Having nothing to do that time, Milkha spent most of his time on streets and fell in bad company of boys who would gamble, steal things to watch movies, etc.
वो थे सारे आवारा मुंडे, सारे पाकिस्तान से आए हुए, और वो जैसे जैसे था वैसे वैसे कोई ताश खेल रहा है, कोई जुआ खेल रहा है.
Soon, his brother Makhan got his posting at Red Fort, India, and with his help, in 1952, Milkha Singh joined the Indian Army. This is the point where his life would take a complete U-turn and he would become someone he never thought of. Before learning about his gold medals and him becoming a legend, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.
मिल्खा सिंह ने जब आर्मी ज्वाइन की तो मिल्खा सिंह को ये मालूम नहीं था कि ओलंपिक गेम्स क्या होती हैं, एशियन गेम्स क्या होती हैं, 100 मीटर क्या होता है, 400 मीटर क्या होता है. मिल्खा सिंह को कुछ मालूम नहीं था. अगर आज दुनिया भर में मिल्खा सिंह का नाम है तो इसका क्रेडिट मैं सारा आर्मी को देता.
His first ever race was a 400 meters race at a brigades meet that he finished in 63 seconds and his talent was recognized by a former athlete Gurudev Singh.
तो मैं आर्मी का बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूं कि उन्होंने मुझे वहां पे क्रॉस कंट्री के अंदर पहली बार दौड़ाया. दौड़ाने के बाद उन्हें पता चला कि मेरे अंदर ये टैलेंट है और मैं कुछ कर सकता हूं, और मैंने कोशिश की और यहाँ तक मैं पहुंचा.
He started training and got selected to make his first ever international debut in 1956 Melbourne Olympics, where he lost in the initial rounds. They say winners never quit, and Milkha Singh surely was a winner at heart. Even after losing, he took inspiration from his loss and got more motivated to get into better training methods. Well, his hard work and training under an American coach, late Dr. Arthur W. Howard, won him his first ever gold medal at the 1958 Commonwealth Games at Cardiff.
कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के अंदर आपको कोई नहीं जानता, क्योंकि कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के अंदर वर्ल्ड क्लास एथलीट आते हैं. मगर जब मैंने रेस जीती और तिरंगा झंडा ऊपर जा रहा था, नेशनल एंथम बज रहा था, 1 लाख अंग्रेज जो था वो स्टेडियम के अंदर खड़ा था और मिल्खा सिंह की आंखों के अंदर खुशी के आंसू थे, वो नीचे गिर रहे थे.
जिस दिन मैंने हिंदुस्तान के लिए पहली बार सोने का तकमा ब्रिटिश एम्पायर एंड कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के अंदर जीता, उस दिन रियली मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई.
In the same year, he won 4 gold medals in the events of 200 and 400 meters race at National Games of India held in Cuttack and at Asian Games held in Tokyo. His 400 meters race at the Commonwealth Games was completed in 46.6 seconds at that time. Until 2014, he was the only Indian male to have won an individual athletics gold medal at those games. Milkha Singh was honored with the Padma Shri Award in 1958, and in 1960, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru insisted him to participate in the Pakistan's dual championship. Even though Milkha was a bit reluctant due to his memories of the partition time, yet he accepted to do so.
उन्होंने मैंने बुलाया और उन्होंने कहा मिल्खा नहीं, पाकिस्तान साड़ा पड़ोसी देश है, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ਼ਿਪ ਰੱਖਣੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ, ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਓ ਜਿਹੜੀ 47 ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ, ਅੱਜ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਮਾਪਿਓ। ਮੈਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਡੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਜਾਵਾਂ।
And once again, Milkha Singh shined when he defeated the then Pakistan sprinting champion Abdul Khalik in his own land.
अब्दुल खालिक मिल्खा सिंह से पहले माना हुआ रनर था पूरे एशिया के अंदर, सारी वर्ल्ड के अंदर, क्योंकि उसने 56 ओलंपिक गेम्स के अंदर भी सेमीफाइनल के अंदर वो आदमी पहुंचा था, पहला आदमी था एशिया से जो वो आदमी वहां पहुंचा था।
The then Pakistani general Ayub Khan told Milkha that he didn't just run on the track, but it seemed like he was flying. This gave him his world-renowned title, the Flying Sikh.
तो जनरल अयूब जद आया उन्हें मैं पंजाबी च कहे लफ्ज, कहंदा मिल्खा अज तू पाकिस्तान दे दौड़िया नहीं, तू पाकिस्तान दे आके उड़िया, तैनू पाकिस्तान फ्लाइंग सिख दा खिताब देंदा।
Same year in 1960, he came fourth in the Rome Olympics, and the race haunted him till his last breath as he lost bronze medal by just 0.1 second.
आपको मैं बता नहीं सकता कि कितना मेरे दिमाग पे स्ट्रेन था कि मिल्खा तेरे को सारी दुनिया जो है वो वॉच कर रही है, तूने रेस जीतनी है, तुझे रेस जीतनी है। तो वो प्रेशर जो था वो बिल्ड हो रहा था।
In the famous movie Bhag Milkha Bhag, it is shown that he looked behind and lost, whereas he himself mentioned in his book The Race of My Life that
पहले 200 मीटर जो मैंने कवर की वो 21 सेकंड के अंदर कवर की। मेरे दिमाग में जो गल आ गई कि मिल्खा सिंह तो इतना तेज दौड़ रहे हैं, हो सकता है कि तू रेस खत्म ना कर पा। तो जेडी स्पीड दे मैं जा रहा थी उस रिदम ਨੂੰ मैं ड्रॉप किया और वो रिदम मुड़ के पिकअप करना बहुत मुश्किल हो।
even after losing this race, his hand recorded time of 45.6 seconds was a national record that was untouched for almost 40 years before an athlete named Paramjeet Singh exceeded it on a synthetic track. It however became a controversy due to the difference in electronically recorded time and hand recorded time. Milkha Singh's timing was electronically determined to be 45.73 seconds, whereas Paramjeet's was 45.70 seconds. Milkha Singh refused to accept that Paramjeet Singh broke his record, as he said what was once recorded can't be changed after so many years. He was appointed as the Director of Sports in Punjab. He retired from this post in 1998. Singh did not stop, and once again in 1962, he won 2 gold medals in the events of 400 meters and 4x400 meters relay race at the Asian Games held in Jakarta. In the same year, he married Nirmal Saini, Indian captain of women's national volleyball team, with whom he had a daughter and a son, Jeev Milkha Singh, who is a golf player. There are claims that Milkha Singh won 77 races out of 80, but there are no official records of all the races. Some sources also say that before participating in the 1960 Rome Olympics, he set a world record of 45.8 seconds in France in 400 meters race. However, official reports of the games mentions Lau Jones as the record holder at 45.2 seconds at Los Angeles in 1956. Whatever it may be, the recorded facts about Milkha Singh's efficiency are enough to glorify his triumphs. In 2001, he refused the Arjun Award by the government, stating that it was like being offered an SSC certificate after securing a master's degree. In 2012, the big-hearted athlete donated his Adidas shoes he wore in the 1960 Rome Olympics to a charity auction organized by Bollywood actor Rahul Bose. In 2013, Milkha Singh, along with his daughter Sonia, wrote his biography named The Race of My Life, rights of which were sold to Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra at the cost of just ₹1, with a clause that profit share would be donated to Milkha Singh Charitable Trust. Rakesh produced a movie namely Bhag Milkha Bhag based on the book, which became a super hit and made over 100 crores. In 2017, Milkha Singh's wax statue was also made by sculptors of Madame Tussauds in London and is placed at Madame Tussauds Museum in New Delhi, India. In the same year, Mr. Milkha Singh was appointed WHO Goodwill Ambassador for Physical Activity in Southeast Asian region. Milkha Singh was admitted at Fortis Hospital in Mohali on 24th May 2021 due to COVID-19, and he passed away on 18 June 2021. An athlete who won not just medals but so much respect for the nation, our own pride and inspiration to so many. The Flying Sikh left us but will always remain in our hearts.
कि मरने से पहले मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि कोई ऐसा हिंदुस्तानी नौजवान उठना चाहिए जो कि हिंदुस्तान के लिए दुनिया के अंदर गोल्ड मेडल लेके आए.
Failure Denied pays deepest condolences to Shri Milkha Singh's family and wishes them lot of strength. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.